Hello everyone, welcome back to another banger video. Today we're going to be talking about abstract base classes or ABCs in Python. So yeah, let's hop right into it. ABCs represent a template for future classes and cannot be instantiated themselves. They're useful to establish protocols for certain classes and to ensure consistent implementation. Let's take a look at an example. Python's ABC module lets us define abstract base classes. Let's create an abstract document class with an abstract method word count. This piece of code, we've declared abstract document as the abstract base class. It has one abstract method, word count, which must be implemented by any subclass. Next, let's create a text document class, which is a concrete implementation of the abstract document. So here, text document is a subclass of abstract document. It implements the word count method, splitting the text into words and returning the count. Now let's create a text document instance and use its word count method. Right, so we've created a text document with a short string, and when we call word count, it correctly returns the number of words in the string. But what if we define a class that inherits from abstract document but doesn't implement word count? So let's take an example of that. Python raises a type error. If I run it, yep, Python raises a type error indicating that empty document can't be instantiated since it hasn't implemented the abstract method word count. So that's the power of ABCs. Abstract base classes allow us to set protocols and ensure subclasses implement certain methods, thus improving the readability and consistency of our code. And that wraps up our lesson on the ABCs in Python. If you found this video helpful, drop a like on the video and we'll catch you in the next one.